Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how you can mirror to multiple selected clip at once in CapCut PC. So you have a few clip in your project and you want to add a mirror to a selected clip you want, only to selected clips you want to add mirror. So just tap on the clip you want to mirror. So for instance, I'm going to select all the clip. Just press Ctrl on keyboard and select the clip you want to mirror, and just going to select mirror icon here so you can see first one, second one, third, fourth. This I'm going to mirror the clip. So that's how to add a mirror to multiple selected clip at once in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.